Alright, Luigi, are you ready to get tickled?
You bet I'm in.
Okay, here they come.
Hey, we got blue octopus and brown dog. Look how tickled I am.
You certainly are.
Oh, hi. It's me, Luigi. And welcome to my play date. This time, I have this special guest who came to join us. With me this time is Princess Luna.
Hello, every pony. It's great to see you again. I'm just making sure everything's alright. Good thing if you get tickled by the dog and that octopus too. But I'm pretty sure you all know about this one.
That's right. So everyone, I hope you're ready to win some things with me.
That's right. And I'm pretty sure you do. I'll put it too.
Now listen, I have to tell you something because I really get hit. This round dog and it's blue eyes too. Hey, it's on my foot. Have you ever been tickled before? Me too. Hey, do you want to get tickled with me? You do? Great. I know. Let's see if you get tickled. Let's try picking one. So I'll go with these octopus right here. Well, you take this dot. Reach out of your hand and you can grab it. You got it? Great. So we have to keep our body still so we get tickled. Now remember, do not move until you get tickled. Because if you move, then you're out. But if you didn't move, then you got it. Are you ready? Here we go. Right tickling. You really know how to hold still. That tickling was fun. Hey, let's try this again. And this time, we have to stand still. Now this time, we need to pick a different pet. So, I'll follow this brown dog while you take these octopus. Reach out of your hand. Reach out. Great. You ready, Luna?
Yep.
Remember, do not move when someone's tickling. You really know how to stand still too. Did you move? You didn't? That's great.
That was awesome, everybody. I'm glad you didn't move. I'm glad that's a hard work.
It sure was.
I'm glad your hair is tight. I better fix my horn. But how about I can fix my horn and then I'll go back playing with you?
Sure.
Phew.
That was awesome, you guys. Huh? You want me to play hide and seek? Okay then. I'll let you hide so I'll find you. You can play along too. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Oh, where'd I go? Brown dog has to be here somewhere.
Do you know who he is? Not really. Let's have a look around and see. He couldn't be up to that pillow. And he couldn't be here at the window. He couldn't be over here. I hear something. Hang on. I know where you are. There you are. That was fun. Let's do this again, okay? Alright, here I go. I'm gonna count again. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Huh? What was that? Something must be wrong with me. Let's try this again. 5, 4, 3. There it is again. Somebody must be making that sound. Or if it's me. Okay, this time I will not make that sound when I'm counting. Let's try this one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I did make that sound. 1. Ready or not, here I come. Wait a minute. I think I know that that's the Hiccups. Hey buddy, come here for a minute. Hey, is there something wrong with me? Hmm? So that was a yes? Who can it be? Me? Why me? Is there something wrong with me? Wait a minute. So if it's not somebody, then who's got one? Was that me getting the hiccups? I do? Well, let me see. Uh-oh. I think I'm having a huge problem. I think I do have the hiccups. I need to find Luna fast. Luna!
Yeah. Sorry about that. I just finished fixing my heart.
Luna, I think I'm having a problem.
What happened?
There's something wrong with my body.
What's wrong with it?
I'm having a hiccups.
You do? Let me see. Oh, I know. I think I know why. Because your body feels inside when you have the hiccups.
I know. But we can't play hide and seek with my hiccups or learning.
Don't you worry, Luigi. I'm pretty sure everyone can help you get rid of your hiccups. Here, look. This is me when every time I don't things in my mouth, but I use one of my mess to get rid of it.
Oh, I get it. So, what could possibly happen if you have one?
Well, I tried to ask every pony and they agreed. So how about this? If you can get everybody, even our pony friends, to help you get rid of your hiccups, it can make it go away. Got that?
Oh, okay. I'll try.
Okay, don't worry. Just let me know when you need help.
Okay. France, I need your help. I need to figure out a way how to get rid of my hiccups. Do you know who can help? Me either. I need to figure out a way how to get rid of my hiccups. So, maybe if we ask everyone, even our pony friends, they can help me get rid of my hiccups. But I had to hurry quickly because my hiccups are going fast. Uh-oh. It's going faster. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Oh! 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 Whew. I need to figure out how to get rid of my hiccups. Do you know? Me either. What about you, doggy? No? Me either. Only there was a way if I could get rid of my hiccup. Let's think. let me know if you have any ideas. Hey, maybe if we ask Rainbow Dash, maybe she can help. Although I'm not sure how to get rid of my hiccups. So let's see if we have any items that we need it for. But not just in our drawer. That goes over there. Let me just have a look here and... Oh, there we go. Hey, there's 3 items here. Although I'm not sure how to pick the right item. What item can I use for? The one in the middle? This whistle! Maybe this will help call Rainbow Dash. Then I think I'm having one problem. I can't remember how to blow. Maybe we can blow this whistle together. We can call her. Will you help me call for Rainbow? Thanks. So hold this whistle like this. So we can blow. Now, hold it into your mouth so we can blow. So, when I say 1, get ready. When I say 2, take a deep breath. And when I say 3, blow this whistle to help her. Like this. Are you ready? Great. 1, get ready. 2, take a deep breath. You got it. 3, blow. Let me know if you found her. What was that? You see Rainbow Dash? There she is! Hey there, Luigi! And hey to you too, every pony! What can I do for you? Listen, I'm having some type of trouble. Whoa, you sure do have hiccups. That's not awesome. I know. Will you help me get rid of it? Of course I can. Well, to cure hiccups, you have to hold your breath and keep holding it until it's gone. Okay. You can stop holding your breath now. Hey, here, now stop. Now stop my Hiccups. Is my hiccups gone? No. Maybe holding my breath will never get rid of my hiccups.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't think holding your breath.
I know. Thanks anyways.
You're welcome.
Now, there must be something else to get rid of my hiccups. Hey, maybe Princess Celeste here can help. Let's see if that works. Now, let's all try blowing this whistle again. 1, get ready. 2, take a deep breath. 3, blow. Let me know if you see her. What was that? You see Celestia? Up here? There you are.
Ah, Luigi, I see you have hiccups.
Yeah, I actually do.
Well, don't you worry. I know the best way to do to get rid of your hiccups. What you do is stand on one foot and keep using your balance. Then hold out your arms and start counting from 5.
Good thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Now do it on the other leg and keep on counting from 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phew, that was a close one. Is my hiccups gone? No. Standing on one thing to keep on balance, not get rid of my hiccups either.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, thanks anyways.
You're welcome.
Luigi? What happened to you?
Well, Trixie, I'm trying to see how to get rid of my hiccups, but it's no use.
Well, I know a good trick to help you.
How?
Well, what you need is a well, I'm gonna magically spin.
Magically spin. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Let me know if you're dizzy.
I'm not. Okay, maybe that's a little... I think that's too fast. Can you put me down?
Okay.
Ugh. Thank you. I'm okay. I guess magically spin can help. Is my hiccups gone now? Not really.
I don't think that please spin can get rid of your hiccups.
I know, but thanks anyways.
You're welcome.
Luigi! Luigi!
What is it, Tails?
I think I know what part I can help you.
How?
Let's activate my calculation. So, if somebody has hiccups, think no, you can get inside body. So, not was wants to quit. Why not? Everything else, please, I can the months to get rid the hiccups, even though they can do lots of cool tricks to get rid of them. And that, my friends, is how you get rid of your hiccups. Scientist rules!
Good thinking, Tails. Maybe we can. Maybe I can ask someone for help.
Yeah! Good luck!
Thanks. Now, if only there's a way you can help. So I asked Lynn to see what's wrong, and she told me I asked Celeste. So, and Princess Celeste, he told me to sound good, but it couldn't help. Rainbow Dash told me to hold my breath, but it won't work. And I'm pretty sure Tracy is getting gets better, but I don't think it's going to help either. So we need to figure out a way quickly. Uh-oh. My hiccups is going fast. Quick! You need to help me figure out who's gonna get rid of my hiccups. Oh no! Whoa! Ugh! Ugh, I need to get up.
Get the viral parasympathetic cells right. It's transfer resistant, water resistant, and 36 hour wait. Get it now.
Ugh. Ugh. Boom. Well, that was fun. But maybe jumping can not get rid of my hiccups. Hang on. Jumping? Although I'm not sure how to get rid of my hiccups with my jumps. We need to figure out a way how to get rid of my hiccups. Let's think. Okay, Luigi. Think. What can you do to get rid of your hiccups? That gives me an idea. Maybe if Pinky can help get rid of my hiccups, maybe we can solve our problems. Let me get my whistle right here, and then we'll be ready to go. Now remember, we'll be blowing this whistle loud. You ready? You are? Then that's great. Okay. 1, get ready. 2, take a deep breath. 3, blow. Let me know if you find Pinky. You see Pinky? Pinky must be being bouncy. But we're gonna have to try this again. So, let's try that one more time. 1, get ready. 2, take a deep breath. 3, blow! Where could Pinky be? You see her? Man, she's really good at hide and seek. We need to blow loud. Help me blow real loud so he can hear us. 1, get ready. 2, take a deep breath. 3, blow.
Ooh, listen.
It's working. Keep blowing. Harder. Keep blowing.
Luigi, I can hear you.
It worked. Thanks for helping me. Pinky, I'm glad you're okay.
So what can I help you?
Listen, I'm having a hiccup. And I don't know what to do.
That sounds terrible. But I will help you.
You do? How?
Wow. The best way to do is to get rid of your hiccups is to jump.
Huh? The best way to get rid of my hiccups is to jump?
Yeah.
But how? I don't even remember how to jump.
Well, if you spell the letters, I'll give you a clue. Some my letter makes the J sound.
Oh, okay. So we need to find a letter that makes the J sound. What letter makes the J sound? J. Right.
Okay, now find what letter makes the sound.
Okay. We'll find the letters that makes the sound. What letter makes the sound? U. Right.
Ooh, you did awesome. Now name letter that makes the sound.
This one's a little bit tricky. Even my hiccups too. What letter makes the sound? M. Right.
Ooh, nice work, everybody. Finally, the letter makes the sound.
Oh no. This is the hard one. What letter makes the sound? P. Right. So J makes the J sound. U makes the sound. M makes the sound. And P makes the sound. Good thinking.
Now, you put these letters together.
Well, let's see what it is. J, U, M, P. J, Hey! That can help me get rid of my hiccups.
Yeah! It can help you.
Well, I'm gonna be something even better to get rid of my hiccups.
Good thing is not for those.
Thanks. But, Pinky, Why are you giving me that spanky shoes?
It's a trick to make you feel better.
Okay, I know what I can do.
But you're gonna have to fly the jumps with me.
Great! Will you help us jump so I can get rid of my hiccups? You will? Great! All we have to do is jump so I get rid of my hiccups. That's right, doggy. We can jump.
I think we're too real.
I hope you jumping skills can help.
The jump skills can help you. Okay, I think we're ready. Are you ready to jump with us?
Louder!
Great. So stand up as we jump. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up, baby pony.
Great. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. On the count of 3. Jump. Ready? Okay then. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
This is awesome.
It's working. Keep jumping. We're almost there. Keep jumping.
Wow, this is awesome.
Great jumping, everyone. Now, pretty. Now, I'm sure that our hiccups are gone.
That was awesome, Luigi. Your jump skills is great.
Thanks. Well, what do you say, Luigi? How does it feel?
Hey, my hiccups are gone.
Thanks, Pinky. You're a big help.
No problem.
So, Luigi, did you figure out how to get rid of your hiccups?
I sure did, Tails. Maybe our jumping skills help us get rid of my hiccups. And now it's gone. That was awesome. That was genius.
Wow, Luigi, I really had to say that was awesome. Ah, Luigi, I'm glad you're okay. And I'm glad your hiccups are gone. You passed the jumping test.
Thanks, Your Highness.
You're welcome. And so are you, every pony.
Thanks for helping me get rid of my hiccups. I'm pretty sure you could use some tricks to get rid of your hiccups, too. But wait, before we go, I think we need to know what the word of the day is. Well, before you figured it out what the winner is, I might have to make think we need to make a logo even better.
I think I can help.
Thanks. But, Trixie, why are you giving me that one?
It's a trick to make it better.
Okay, I know what I can say. Look who's changed us. That's better. Okay, back to where we was. Today's winner is Rouge.
Finally, I won!
Congratulations, Rouge. Your name hasn't been winning any award.
She sure did.
Make sure you like the video, subscribe the video, hit that notification bell, and comment down below what else should we learn next. See you soon.
See you later, every pony.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Good luck out there.
Stay tuned. Keep living that pony life.
See you next time.
Sandy Philly! Oh, hey there! I'm Rodney, and I'm here with Twilight. Hey! You want to play the pattern with us? Great! So the pattern will go jump, jump, clap. Here we go. Jump, jump, clap. Jump. Oh no! What comes next? Jump! Yes! Jump, jump, clap. Jump. What comes next? Yes! Jump! Jump, jump, clap.
Great work, every pony.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Here's our friend Dance-a-Lot Robot. Fine Dance-a-Lot.
You can't catch me now, can you? Woo! Hey, I'm over here. Here we go. You can't catch me. Oh man, you found me. Until next time, get into the groove and keep dancing.